So last time we ended off with this. The camera pans in, then pans out. The code behind this is quite simple. Delay for half a second, move and orient the camera to the camera up close camera marker, delay for 2 seconds, then move and orient the camera to the camera start position camera marker. We'd like to replace that 2-second delay with an animation of the captain speaking. To do this, we will have to simultaneously play an audio file and move the captain's mouth. We'll start by replacing the 2-second delay with a do in order. I select the captain, get mouth, turn, forward, 1/8 of a turn, followed by turn, backward, 1/8 of a turn. So the captain's mouth moves. Now let's play an audio file to go with that. So now in my Do Together programming tile, I have the captain playing an audio file and then doing in order, moving the mouth forward and then backward.
Computer, end program.
When people speak, they move their mouths up and down a little bit more than once. We add a count programming tile that will loop 5 times, and we place the mouth movement inside that. Now let's take a look. Yeah, the mouth moving 5 times is taking way longer than the audio file. So I need this to match the audio file's length. If I do 2 things 5 times, that's 10 things. I need each one of those animations to last about 1/10 of a second. One-tenth of a second plus 1/10 gives me 0.2 seconds times 5 should give me 1 second for the animation of the mouth, and that matches the length of the audio file.
Computer, end program.
A little bit of a delay after the captain finishes speaking. Half a second. Final run.
Computer, end program.
And there we have it, adding sounds.